So our project is Smart City Travel Planner. The basic motto of our project is to design an itinerary for a visitor who is visiting a city for a particular time period, let's say a day. So what our project exactly does is it will take the number of hours that the traveler is willing to spend into the city to explore the places, and secondly he'll enter the place which he wants to visit. So based on the information given, it will calculate the location of that person, and accordingly will place the show the places which are around him, which could be covered in that particular number of time. So this is the basic website which we did for our application. As you can see, the entire website is made right from the scratch using CSS, C++, Java and JavaScript. So in order to access the functionalities of our website, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to log in onto our page. So yeah, since I have already made an account, I don't need to sign up. If you are a new admin, then you need to sign up to our page. So let's sign up. Let's take this as 4 and we'll set the password. So now we have created our page. Login. So as you log in, you can see the functionalities of our website have been shown on the About Us bar. So now I'll show you the basic functionalities of our website. You need to go to your itinerary, and under your itinerary we will have 3 options. The 3 functionalities our website is basically providing. The first one is quick itinerary, the second one is our recommendations, and the third one is customized itinerary. So the very first application that our website is providing is the quick itinerary, wherein the user needs to enter the number of hours that is willing to spend into a particular location or a particular city, and based on the number of time that he is willing to spend, the website will perform an algorithm which will produce the places which could be covered in that number of hours. For example, let's say 5 hours, and I want to explore the city of Bombay. Now when you click on search, you can see the number of plans which could be covered by that person in a period of 5 hours, and it will also give you a short description about those places. This is plan 1, this is plan 2, and this is plan 3. So yeah, that's the basic functionality of quick itinerary. Now we'll go back to our main page. The second one is our recommendations, wherein we have set some locations, wherein the website will show some recommended places which are based on the user's review. And the third one is customized itinerary. Under customized itinerary, it is this particular function is designed for those who want a customized plan. For example, the plans which you like, basically I'll show you it. Plans. Yeah. So now, for example, let's enter the number of hours as 4, and we'll click city as Bombay. Search. So these are the plans available which could be covered by that person in a period of 4 hours. So it will show you the places based on zones, starting from the from the south zone of Bombay, which is zone 1, to the north zone, which is the zone 4 of Bombay. So the basic algorithm what our website is using is, it will divide the city of Bombay into four parts: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4. And now if the person is located in zone 1, then and a person is only willing to spend, let's say, like 2 hours of his day traveling, so the website will only show the places which could be covered by that person in 2 hours from that particular zone. Now if the person is willing to spend, let's say, 7 hours of his day traveling or exploring the place, then the website will perform an algorithm which will show all the best places which could in all the 3 zones or 4 zones which could be covered in that particular time zone. So yeah, that's the basic functionality of our website. Thank you guys, hope you like our website.